Show everybody how you like blueberries. More and more got use these. Which one do you want? Just one. There you go. It's good, right? Yeah. Want more? Hold on 1 second. Hold on. Gotta put your bib on. Another one. Yeah, blueberries. Maybe take one. Yeah. Nope, one at a time. That's a cute bib. That bib is from Bam and Bambi. That's your bib. No, she ate one yesterday. No, don't take it off. Leave it on. Here, I'll tuck it in. Maybe you'll forget about it. You're right. Would you like another blueberry? Makes you so happy. Yeah. One at a time. Sit down. Sit. Good job. Good sitting. Sit. Not a game. I'll just strap you in if you don't listen. This is for all the working moms out there. You hear the song? Working dads.
Women in Renaissance dresses.
Sometimes you kiss me. Yes, that's true. Sooner or later, too. We do love you. And sooner or later, we do come back. Yeah. Oh, yeah, I wasn't kidding. It is a work song. I haven't heard this.
Sometimes I stay over too.
Oh. More grandpa. In case you weren't sure, this song will help you feel loved. Wave. 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 Yay. Sometimes you just have to cry. Put one on her, yeah. Can you check on the waffle?
I think it takes forever.
Is that good? Yeah, that's good. Oh, God. Whoever takes care of you, Cass.
Because they have no choice.
Not funny, Daddy. Not funny. Your dad's actually pretty funny. These are the perfect size for her, by the way. Oops. Right as I said that, she went... Bleh. You like this drum CD. It's cute. You take after your cousin Austin with the blueberries.
What do you do with the waffle?
I just put a tiny bit of syrup on it. Where'd it go, Cass? Can you get it? Pretty deep in there. It's hard to get. What's the matter? Just put it in your mouth. She is extra cute this morning. Thank you. Yeah, it's good. I'll just dip into it. That's a waffle. That's a waffle. She's feeling it, babe. It's really cute. You watching her?